In this video, I am going to tell you how to host your ATM projects online. So for that, you need to visit the GitHub profile for my code. So github.com, and here you write ATM, new ATM. The link is given in the description. So after that, you need to download this folder. So for that, click on the code and download the zip. After the zip is downloaded, you go in a download section here. And here you can see the zip folder is being downloaded. Now simply click on this and click on extract all and extract. After that, your file will be extracted. This is what you need to host online. So this is the ATM project. So to host online, we need to go back in the Google and type here hostinger.com. Now click OK. Now you just click on login to your Hostinger account. Now after that, simply click on website section. Now here you can see your websites. You need to create a new website. For that, click on add and scroll down and click on empty PHP HTML. After that, just type a domain name, that is atm dot and trendsxyz.com xyz.com. This is a subdomain, so you will get for free. After that, click on next. After that, it will take some time to initialize it. Now wait for some time. After some time, it will display you something like this. What you will need to do is, you need to go in a file manager section. You need to work on a file manager and a database. So for file manager, let's it redirect. Now whatever you have downloaded from GitHub, you need to upload here in a public.html folder. So click upload, click on file. Now after that, click on this folder. Click on this folder. Don't upload the folder itself. Now after that, copy all the files over here and click on open. Now it will take some time and your all files are ready now. Now what you need to do is, you need to go back once again. Now you need to make some changes in the database section. So for that, you need to go in a Hostinger, and now you have to set up the database. So click on the database, and here you need to create one database. So give a database name. A database name should be SVI, and what should be the username? root1, because I have already taken the root, and one password. So for password, you take any one of the password you have. So I have taken the password also. Now create it. Yep, database already exists. Let's see it. Okay, database already exists. So what we need to do is, we need to name this database as database 1. After that, simply create the database. You just scroll down and remove the previous database over here. Just delete it. If you don't have any database, no need to worry about that, right? So we deleted the previous database. Now right here SBI and root1 and create it. Now your database is ready. Now what you need to do is, the database is successfully created, and you just click on it. Now here you can see that the database PHP MyAdmin is ready now, as you can see here. Now what you need to do is, just click on it and click on the import query, and now after this you choose a file. Now select one SQL file here, that is accounts. Open it and click import here. After that, all the query executed successfully. Click on the accounts, and all the databases are ready here. Now you need to connect your database to this. So for that, you need to go back, and after this, you need to go back once and click on website. If you go in a website section, you'll find something like this. Now click on this atmtransxyz.com. Now the website is ready. Now when you click the username, it will not accept. Let's try submit. Why it is not accepting? It is not accepting because you have not linked with the database, although you have downloaded the database SQL file. So for that, you again go back here. You open the public HTML and you go in the index.html. Click on it. Now after this, make some edit. So find the SQL page. Okay, here we don't have anything. So move back and click on backend.php. Here you make a changes according to the database. So for that, we'll move to the hostinger.com, and again we'll move to the dashboard. In dashboard section, we'll move to the database, and here we'll see what is the username and password we have been assigned. So this is the database name. Just copy it and go here and paste here. Instead of the local database, you will get this as a database name. Now again you copy this username, Control C, and you go here and paste this, and in a password section you write the password that you have given. Please don't misuse this password. So after this, click on save. Yes, now you are successfully connected with the database. Now when you click on this submit now, then it will work. For that, just refresh it. Now after that, you put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This username account number is taken from here. This is related to Elias Johnson with a balance 1300. So you click on submit. Now it will ask for your password. So write 1234, submit it. Now you are successfully logged in into the system, and now your ATM project is hosted online, as you can see here, atm.transxyz.com. Now you are able to perform different transactions, for example withdraw. So for that, we'll check the previous balance, that is 1300. Now if you withdraw some amount, for example 200, and create submit. Now thank you for now have a nice day. Now after that, if you see in the database and refresh this database, now the 1300 is reduced to 1100 rupees. Again you move back, and again you put your account number and pin, and after that balance inquiry. You can check your balance 1100, account number, and the person name, which is exactly the same. You can perform other operations too by going in a change pin. For example, if you want a new pin, for example 1111, and submit change, then your pin will be changed successfully. Now after this, click on account number. The pin is now no longer 1234, so it is showing error. So you have to put a new pin, that is 1111, and submit it. Then you are able to log in. If you go in a database section, the previous pin was 1234. If you refresh this, then the pin changed to 1111. So all the functionality over here works so perfectly. This project is inspired by real bank ATM system. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe.